Hi, Teresa. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We're a local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, your website or a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So I couldn't find a website that you have of your own. I'm sorry if you do have one, but I couldn't seem to find it just by a quick look at your name. I'm willing to bet that if I can't find it, the customers or clients and potential home investors and buyers and sellers can't find it either. So I'm just going to go over a couple things for you here real quick and give you some free tips. So three things we're going to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. I found this, actually, we're going to do citations first. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those. And so the more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in the map pack. So I saw you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So I typed in Dallas Realtors. Okay, we got Dallas City Center Realtors. We got Dallas Luxury Realty. We got Abby Halliday, right? First of all, these aren't major brokerages like Remax or something, which is what you'd expect. So it goes to show you that it is possible to get here, right? But the other thing I wanted to show you is that in the map pack here for Dallas Realtors, if you go down, we have John Jones. He's a realtor. We got David Griffin. We have Sean Haynes. We have Alex Prinz, real estate agent. So pretty much these guys are getting their name in here, right? They're in the map pack, even though they're not a brokerage. So I'm not sure if you own Compass Realty or not, but either way, you can get your name as a specific agent in this map pack through citations. So even if you're not a brokerage, you can actually get your name in here. I also went to Fort Worth Realtors, and if you notice, we got Greater Fort Worth Association of Realtors, JP and Associates, Keller Williams. But if you go down here, you got TK Dorsey, real estate agent. We have Chandler Crouch Realtors. That may be a brokerage. Megan Phelps. Briggs Freeman. Todd Tremonte. Okay? So basically what I'm trying to say is that you can get your name specifically as a realtor in this map pack. And you can rank it by citations. And those people, believe it or not, are going to be getting leads through that. So you get there by citations. So I did find, so John Jones, he was one of the guys that we saw for, I believe, Dallas. And I just wanted to pull his website up for reference. And so this is just a basic website. They're really not that much money for a website. You can probably do it yourself. Either way, they're really not that much. And so this is just an example of a basic website, and it's helping him get there. So this website's helping him rank for these different things. And believe it or not, Dallas-Fort Worth, we're talking there's hundreds and hundreds of searches every month for homes. And so if you could just pick up a small percentage of those, you're going to, definitely really up your game as far as bringing in these leads. So big deal there. This is his website. And so something I want to point out is content. So those were citations. Next is content. You really want to have 1,500 words minimum. And so it actually looks like, so let's go to his, he doesn't have that on the main page, right? Let's go to the Buller Jones Group. This is just their, website. So it's very short, simple page, right? But there's still not that 1,500 words of content. And if you notice, even though he was pulling up under Dallas Realtors, his website's on the second or third or fourth page. So I'm just using this as an example for you of what a basic website would look like. And you could do something similar, but you want to make sure to have 1,500 words minimum when you do decide to get your website. And you also want to make sure that you save your photos properly as well. So it's also how you save your photos included in content, not just the words. But these guys, if you were to target Dallas, you'd be able to hit these guys out of the water in no time because their website is not ranking it at all. So you just want to have 1,500 words minimum, save your photos right. I wanted to use this as an example. The last thing is backlinks. So once you get your domain, once you have a website, you're going to want to get backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your website's found on the internet. You guys actually have 34 backlinks from 15 referring domains, but yet your domain rating is only a 13. Well, their domain rating, not yours. I'm using theirs as an example, but with a 13 domain rating, with 34 backlinks, you'd be able to beat these guys in no time. So the thing to keep in mind is that when you get your backlinks, you want your backlinks coming from sites that are not spammy and sites that are relevant to the real estate industry. That's the biggest thing. So these guys actually have very few backlinks, so it would be no problem to beat them. Maybe you're in Fort Worth. I don't know, but I'd obviously probably go back and forth. Maybe you like Mansfield. You know, wherever you want to target, you know, that's where you can rank. But this is backlinks. Just make sure that when you get backlinks on your website, you get them from sites that are not spammy and sites that are relevant. Other than that, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you can take the time to get yourself a website and bring in some leads using it. And so I hope this video finds you well. If you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much.